Hey, I'm Hester and you are watching Handmade Home, the channel for interior inspiration and DIY tutorials. When I was born, my dad made me these wooden animals and I played with them loads when I was little. I actually still use them because you keep seeing these pop up as little props in my tutorials and in my books. And they're really nice. There's like big ones like a giraffe or an elephant. Some of them are teeny tiny like this squirrel. I don't really know how he saw this, but they're really lovely. And when I was designing the nursery, I thought wouldn't it be lovely if I can incorporate these somehow into the design. And of course I could have just lined them up on the shelf, but there must be a more fun way of getting these into the design. So have a look at what I've done. I want to enlarge the animals, and the easiest way to do this is by creating a shadow. So what I've done, I stuck a bit of paper on the wall, and then with the torch on my phone I stuck it behind the figurine. And as you can see, the closer you are to the figurine, the bigger its shadow will be. So what I've done, had somebody else hold it for me. And if you had the right size, you're just gonna trace it with a pencil. As you can see, this person doesn't have the steadiest of hands, but yeah, just a general outline will do. So when you've drawn out all your animals, you're gonna cut out a piece of paper and you're gonna arrange them onto your plywood. I use two different thicknesses of plywood. One is a 3mm thick one and the other one is a 5mm thick one. And you're gonna simply do the outlines of the animals, just trace around the templates that you made. And then with your jigsaw, just follow these lines and cut out your animals out of the plywood. And sand it smooth with your palm sander. I sand just one side because the other one you're gonna stick to the wall anyway. And also make sure the edges are very nice and smooth as well. And then with your drill and a drill wood piece, drill a hole where you think the eye should be. And now it's time to work on the arrangement. And your paper templates come in really handy for this, because I'm just sticking them on the wall with a bit of washi tape, just so I have a nice composition on the wall and you can really space them out to make sure all the animals are gonna end up in the right spot. And once you're happy with all the placements, what you're gonna do on the back of the animals, you're gonna apply a very strong glue. Something like a No More Nails or a Gorilla Glue. And then you're gonna press it against the wall, just keep it in place for a little bit. And then with some tape, like a masking tape, you're gonna stick it in place and let the animal dry for at least 24 hours. And once the glue has dried, you can take off the tape and your animal plywood wall is ready. If you enjoyed this video, please have a look on my website. HestersHandmadeHome.com is full of craft and DIY ideas for your home. I'll be back soon with a new video. See you then!